I am seeing these beautiful knives for the first time, Sakai Kyuba. And firstly, what I've noticed about them is their gorgeous handle as well. And they're really light, which, because my previous knife is definitely heavier than this, which is great to have that in the kitchen. Very, very sharp, so let's give it a go. And I think you only really need one good knife as well, that's another thing. But look after it, care for it, and let's see how they cut. Feels pretty good. Whoa. Yeah, it's really nice. Very effortless as well. I mean, it's nice. I'm into it. I'm into it. And another thing about knives, or when you've got a really good knife like this, I would also just never put it in the dishwasher. That's one thing. Always wash it with, I was always taught to wash it with just cold water, maybe cold soapy water. And yeah, just look after them and don't put them in a drawer, just left, you know. No one would do that, right?